Good morning, dear students. We have learned about family. Who are the members of our family? You all know that. Do you know where we live together with our family? We live in our home. All of us live in our home. Even birds and animals also live in their homes. But children, why do we need home? We need home to keep ourselves safe from cold, sun, wind, and rain. Especially nowadays, we are safe from corona because we are in our house. Isn't it? Come on, children, we will listen to a song and I am sure that you will like it. My address tells me where I live, the numbers and the street. I can get there in a car or walking on my feet. My address tells me where I live, the numbers and the street. I can get there in a car or walking on my feet. Did you like the song, children? Yes. Word address in this song. Do you know what is address? Address exactly tells us where our home is. Children, you should also know your home address. It is very important. You should know to write your address on your own. So, every day take your parents' help and write your address in your rub book. Every day, if you go on writing or every day you just read that address, you will remember your room number. You will remember your road. What is a name of your building? Everything. Children, now let's talk about the main part of the houses. Our topic is parts of the house. What you can see in the picture? You can see house. But see there what is on the top? This is the roof. You can see in the picture ROOF. Roof. Roof of our house which is on the top. Now inside the house upper part which is below the roof is called a ceiling. Ceiling. Do you know the spelling? CEILING. Ceiling. Down part is called as floor. 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 You can see in the picture down portion where we sit, that is called floor. Our house, all four sides surrounded with walls. See, this is called walls. 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 Right, children? We also have windows. 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 So that air can come through it. We enter in our house through the door. 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 These are the main parts of our house. Some houses are big and some are small. Children, these are the important parts. The following words, you have to revise it every day. Let's start from the first word. ROOF. Roof. CEILING. Ceiling. Next word is Floor. Floor. Walls. Walls. Windows. Windows. Door. You have to revise these words every day. Have a good day. Thank you.